When it comes to trading, the main thing keeping you from making $1,000 in a day, making $10,000 in a day, making $100,000 in a day is how much money you have to risk. And at the end of the day, there is no best prop firm. Is there a best credit card? No, but there's good credit cards. With that being said, I'm gonna be buying a challenge. Oh yeah.
Oh shit, so I have to type.
We in action.
Oh, shit.
This just says it's closing in 10 minutes, and it's 11. Huh?
How you do one thing is how you do everything. My success in trading has led to my success in fitness. My success in fitness has led to my success on YouTube.
Do you risk more or risk less in drawdown? You should risk less in drawdown. Look, y'all ever take a Porsche to the beach? I want to be able to make 10, 20K, 30K, 40K months consistently. Morning, everybody. And right now, we're about to get the day started. I'm going to be going to a location to trade today. We're going to be trading from an undisclosed location in Florida. So if you know, you know. But right now it's approximately 9:07. I'm about to go downstairs and get a water first because nigga is thirsty, and y'all know me, I never got water for some reason because I go through it all. Especially having my girlfriend, me, and 2 dogs. We go through a lot of water, and y'all know my dogs be bougie, so they don't drink no bullshit water. They be drinking my water. But no cap, we about to get today started, and I got a little bit of different news and an update for you guys. So as you guys know, there's multiple prop firms out there, and at the end of the day, there is no best prop firm. It just comes down to being able to leverage all of them. Another example I would say is there a best credit card? No, but there's good credit cards, and you should leverage all of them. Is there good banks? Yes. Is there a best bank? No. It's a very similar thing. There's no best anything, especially in the trading industry. It just comes down to taking advantage of what you can with your skill set, with your understanding of the market, with your understanding of risk management, and basically emotional control, all that mental stuff. So I'm gonna be trying another prop firm. I'm still using my Clarity account. There's nothing wrong with it. It's just a matter of trying new things. Why not? You know what I mean? Especially because there's a lot of people in VIP specifically that use this prop firm and they made a lot of money with it. Like I'm talking about, they passed in one day. Like you can pass in a day, which is one of the main things that is leaning me to want to do it, because if I could pass in a day, I don't got to spend as much time on it compared to doing it with other challenges that may take me a bare minimum of a month. If I could pass in one good day with a couple good trades, that's amazing, because then I can just add it to the capital and I can immediately start trading. Now I'm pretty sure it's still like a 5-day minimum for a withdrawal, but it's cool. I'd rather get as quick into the funded process as possible. So with that being said, I'm going to be buying a challenge as of now, and then we're going to go to the location. We're going to get ready to trade, and we're just going to do what we do every day, just another day. Right now we still got the Porsche. I'm thinking I'm either going to keep the Porsche for another day or I'm going to rent another car. I don't know. We're going to see, but nonetheless, let's get today started. I'm going to go get some water. I'm going to get this account bought, and I'm going to see you somewhere.
Simple Butterfly or his Untitled shit. Like, those beats were just very, like, just different, like, abstract, artistic. This is who I fuck with.
My
That's
boy
like
Stove,
really,
God, that's really my nigga Stove. Go crazy.
you know who
What
I
was
feel
y'all
is,
looking
like,
for?
the most underrated right now? Oh,
Man,
shit,
fire
that
right
nigga
now.
that came in. Fire.
Look, y'all ever take a Porsche
If
to
you
the
like
beach?
Griselda, if you like,
Are you on the beach?
Nah, yeah, I drove on the beach. I'm a real nigga.
Fire, bro.
this nigga is on the
On
stand.
the beach.
Hey nigga, don't get that shit stuck, nigga.
If I get stuck, bro, I'm suing the state.
Not hold the drive.
I get stuck, I'm suing the state. I got it on film. Nah, real shit. Get a flick.
Cherry Village, Shampoo. You knew that shit was getting straight.
That nigga thought he was in GTA for real.
But yeah, I was trying to get this, cause I was talking to Bells about the funded futures. I was trying to make an account, and while I was driving, that shit was being retarded, and I'm pretty sure I missed 9:30. So I was like, alright. But then it didn't look like it did shit, so I'm just contemplating life.
We got TP to hit.
Oh yeah, your TP hit?
Shout out Kino.
Nah, good work, Keno.
Shout out Young, man. Hey, yo, Andre, let's go splash.
Yeah, we ain't missing much. It's very choppy. If it can hold this gap, though, I definitely think there might be some likelihood we can come down to 44,000. But I got to see how it does with that gap in the next 15 minutes. But I'm not pressed on taking no trades. Only time will tell. Patience. All right, so I just went to my funded futures. I'm about to be on here since Bells is on the call also. So wait, Bells, which one should I do, you said? Because you were one on the video yesterday also. So I mean, better, best for you to say. Which one you wanted me to get or made sense? Copy 50K starter. What's the difference between 50 and the 100 and the 100K? Like, would it really be a big difference in terms of rules, or this is just? Oh, but wait, 150.
Harder to pass the 100K account.
It's the hardest to pass the 100. So it looks like the drawdown on the 100 is like a median versus like you get a lot on the 150 and you get a good amount on the 50K then. That makes sense though. This is damn near almost the same as Top Step, 25 compared to 3,000. All right, so I'm gonna just verify my number and everything. They gotta send me it. The last time I did like this challenge stuff was with Top Step when we ran that shit up from like, we bought the account and they ran that shit up to like 8,000. Oh yeah.
Oh shit! So how to type?
We in action.
Oh, shit. Okay.
Yeah, so you got the 50K, okay?
Nah, yeah, Bells. I was about to say, it's funny because I think I said it in the live yesterday that I did on Instagram. I've never bought I've never bought anything besides this. Like, this is the first 50K ever. And honestly, this trade idea looks like it could play out. So it looks like we could get the first trade. Who knows?
I'm telling you right now, bro.
I'm gonna see if it holds the gap.
3 contracts, 200 points, you'll pass the count.
200. What's my stop? And I'm on 30. I'm on 30.
On Nas.
I'm on 30.
If you're on 30, then just aim for 3,000. But I swear to God, you go past that.
Yeah, honestly, I was about to watch that short, but I don't know what I looked at in price is gone. I was looking at it on the chart that was like kind of the one that's closest to my Hanko trade. Like, look, this one right here looks closest to holding this gap right here, don't it? Right?
Yep.
Right? Like, it looks like it's close to holding that gap on that one. And then I go over here, and I'm like, the fuck is going on?
Yeah, features is the true price, bro.
So this joint is cooked right here. So it's going up, but my thing is this shit still says delayed on my right. That's why. Wait a minute. This shit says it's closing in 10 minutes, and it's 11. Huh? Team, I was gonna take a shower, and then I had the brilliant idea of, fuck that. Let's go live on Instagram, and then take a shower, and then go to the gym. Don't know why that was my thought process, but I just cleaned up the house a little bit, not gonna lie to you. I have too many blankets over here. My girlfriend loves blankets, as you guys can see. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And these are all like small blankets. Like, none of them even really fit me fully, except for one. But yeah, she likes having them over here, so I just have them over there right now. We're about to see what value we could be to people on Instagram. So we're gonna go live. I'll probably put some clips and everything, give you guys some free value. But it's rainy out. Let me just show you, because this is it's kind of ugly out. Like, if we come over here, look outside behind the Christmas tree, we can't see far. And it looks like my mat is being moved. So it's kind of annoying, but you know what? As long as those weights stay there, it can't really go that far. So yeah. That rain is there, but I might have plans for later on today. I kind of want to go somewhere, so we may still enjoy the day even though it's raining. Well, like I said, let's go get ready for Instagram Live. So if you don't follow me, make sure you follow me, because people, these lives, I be giving out game. And anybody that's showed up for these lives, you know I be giving out game. So stop missing out, start showing up. Let's get to it. Thoughts on CPI ripped today on NAS. NAS went crazy. It went stupid. Like, went to the fucking moon. First time on your live though. I've been tapped in with you for about a year now. I know, bro. We gonna lock in though. Shit, we here every day. We here every day. It's all good. Not every day. I try to be here every day. How we doing, Dro? What we doing, Metro? You're in Miami. It would be great to see you. Want to come to Miami soon. I don't know exactly when I'm going to be down there, but I know there's a couple people in Miami that I can meet up with. So I'm going to definitely let everybody know ahead of time. You can definitely see some. Make some happen. You think I should risk 150 with the last 15,000 in my funded account? I say, depending on the contract size, let's say 150 to 200 gives you a good 5 trades, but also is risky enough to get you out of drawdown. That's more than enough. You can make it work. Man, you didn't answer my question. I didn't see your question. Somehow I won on shorts. What were you on shorts on? US 30 for the most part. I think it's bearish. I have my laptop right here. I was watching possible shorts on US 30, but it was just a matter of price was being choppy. Yeah, nah, Nas it went back up. Never mind. It didn't. Not Nas. You said it went back up. Did you or do you resell? Did I what? Did you or do you resell? What do you mean? Do you risk more or risk less in drawdown? You should risk less in drawdown. Risk less, 100%. Don't risk more, because if you're risking more in drawdown, the likelihood of you blowing your account is way more likely. You gotta risk less. It's gonna take time to get out of drawdown, but less is better. Take the time. I'm telling you that gold and DXY are inversely proportional. I'm not sure what you mean by proportional, but yeah, they're inversely correlated. That's just how anything is that's the opposite of the dollar. If it's not the dollar, if it's like a different currency, it's likely gonna do the opposite. Such as if gold goes up, NAS 100 or US 30 is likely to go down. But inverse correlation is never gonna be 100% certain, especially nowadays. You guys see that wind over there blowing my turf? Crazy work. I'm gonna stay inside. Look, yo, it's finna take my shit. I mean, I guess you guys could just watch my grass almost fly away. US 30 soon about to be buying. Now US 30 is going up right now. Like, I'm watching it. You know why I can hear so much? I got this open, I think. That's how it was yesterday in Georgia. I guess ugly today.
Now my body's cooked, like extremely cooked. Just hit some legs, I was saying squats. That shit's crazy work. But the guy that was in the gym just left, so I thought I'd pick up my microphone. One thing I want to let you guys know, I don't have my AirPods. My AirPods are dead, so there's no podcast, so I'm working out just 100% just quiet right now. How you do one thing is how you do everything. My success in trading has led to my success in fitness. My success in fitness has led to my success on YouTube. My success on YouTube has led to my success on VIP. VIP has led to my success with trading. They all help each other. How you do one thing is how you do one thing. How you do one thing is how you do everything. Those skills you learn aren't gonna go away. And at the end of the day, it just comes down to building yourself. Building yourself into the most valuable person, so that's gonna be the likelihood of you becoming successful. You don't learn how to be successful. You become the person that makes success happen. The same things I was doing a couple years ago, making videos, taking trades, are the same thing I'm doing now. But I'm getting paid for it. I'm getting paid way more for it. The process itself didn't necessarily change, but you know what did change? Me, my mindset, my discipline. I changed how I react to certain situations. I changed how I look at certain situations. I changed my actions. That's really all it comes down to. If you want to become a successful trader, change your daily actions. What you're doing right now isn't leading you to success for a reason. Figure out what it is. Everything happens for a reason. Nothing doesn't happen. Nothing happens by accident. Trust me. Like I said, I'm the only one in the gym right now. Yesterday's video, I was the only one in the gym. I'm the only one in the gym, and I'm recording a video. And I'm one of the youngest people in this building. How you do one thing is how you do everything.
Well, hopefully this isn't too bright. I think this angle right here will be good. But I mainly, hold on. Honestly, I think that's gonna be a better angle. It's not gonna have a view, but you can see me. I just got back from the gym and everything, as you guys saw from the vlog, but I wanna talk about more than likely what the title of this video is called, either something regarding trading live, trading prop firm, making money. But I wanna talk about my goals for 2025 in terms of capital, because when it comes to trading, I just dropped my slides. When it comes to trading, the main thing keeping you from making $1,000 in a day, making $10,000 in a day, making $100,000 in a day is how much money you have to risk. Now, how do you get more money to risk? Either get more capital or make more money so that you can put more money into your live account. or get more capital in terms of funding accounts. And that's one of the things I'm going for right now. That's part of the reason I'm going for Clarity accounts. That's part of the reason I just bought that new MyForex Futures account. I'm going to be trying to get enough capital to where I can genuinely be making $5,000 to $10,000 a day, a week consistently. That's my goal for 2025. I want to consistently have 30 to 50K months just from trading. No other money just besides just from trading. How am I going to do that? If I want to be able to average 30 to 50K in a month, let's simply do the math, because all this is a math game. If I want to be averaging, let's just say 30K a month trading, I would need to be averaging about $7,500 a week, and that's with 4 trading days. So I'd need to be averaging about $1,875 a day, 4 days a week, which would be 30K a month. So now let's do that times 2. If I make $3,750, which is the calculations, if I make $3,750 average every trade or every day, if I make $3,750 average every day for half the month, I can make $30,000 in a month, and that's accounting for losing trades. Now, if I would have done every single day I won, then I could probably do this in probably like what, 15 days, 10 days? Yeah, I would be able to do that in 10 days if I did that every day. But you also got to keep in mind, I'm going to take losses. I understand that. I understand I take losses. I just got to get enough capital to where even with me taking losses, the amount of money I'm making is just so substantial. Even if it's a couple thousand extra, that couple thousand goes a long fucking way. From 1 account to 2 accounts to 3 accounts to then guess what? All that money I'm making, I'm just trying to put it all into a live account anyway to then do what? The same exact thing, just risk a little bit more per trade. And that's why I'm coming to you guys in 2025. I'm going to be using a different broker. Nothing against Hango Trade. Hango Trade is fine. It's just me personally, I'm just trying new things. You don't know what you like, you don't know what you don't like until you try new things. I'm not the type of person to just do one thing and never move on to anything else. I want to see what the grass may look like. You know the saying, the grass is greener on the other side. I don't know if it's greener unless I try different things. But Hango Trade is a great broker. If you guys want to use it, you know what to do. But coming into 2025, I'm thinking I'm going to be using Sway Markets. I'm not going to be using it now just because it's the end of the year. I'm not going to deposit any money that I'm actually trying to turn into good, sustainable returns in the last trading month of the year. I'm just not going to do it. I'm going to continue spending this month to just get capital and trading my funded accounts, just doing it that way. But yeah, it's going to be a great 2025. I told you guys in another video, I'm trying to have consistent 5-figure payouts, 5-figure withdrawals on a daily, weekly fucking basis. I can make $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 in a day. I want to be able to make $5,000 in a day consistently. I want to be able to make 10, 20K, 30K, 40K months consistently. This just all comes down to making it happen, having a plan, and then making it happen. What you think compared to Kobe's? So what? Alright, so as y'all seen, I've got a little clips of us eating dinner. We drove to Sarasota. Since we got the rental still, might as well. I got the miles on it. I could drive this instead of driving my car. It's a funner car too, as you guys can hear. But it's 10 o'clock at night right now. We're still 20 minutes away, because Sarasota is about like an hour from where we are. But we're about to be home soon. Looks like we're about to hit traffic though, so that's amazing. Yeah, nonetheless, it was a great day. Productive day as always. Stayed busy. Just another day doing the same shit that we do any old other day. So with that being said, if you want to learn how to trade, the day trading concepts, systems, all the above that I use on a daily basis, the free trading course, free trading webinars in the description. Make sure you check those out. And if you want to join VIP to get access to the daily live trading like we do every single day, join VIP. Y'all stay safe, stay productive, stay busy, and I'll see you all in tomorrow's daily video.